Okay, grade 7s and grade 8s, some of you were having trouble with identifying common multiples. And it's a lot easier than I think you're making it. So a multiple is a whole number that is found by taking the product of any counting number and then that number. For example, to find the multiple of 3, you're multiplying 3 by 1, 3 by 2, 3 by 3, and so on and so on. You have been doing this since grade 1. You just didn't call them multiples. You called them skip counting. So you called it 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and you called it a skip count. And you did it probably on a hundreds chart. We're not going to do that. We're calling it multiples because you have multiplied 5 by 1 to get 5, 5 by 2 to get 10, 5 by 3 to get 15, 5 by 4 to get 20, and so on and so on and so on. You're just multiplying. That's all you're doing. Here's some examples. So you find the multiples of the whole number 4. Can't talk, sorry, 10 o'clock at night. And if you hear my crazy dogs in the background, sorry. So the multiples of 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So it's really just the skip counting that you are used to. So the multiples of 4 are those numbers there. The multiplication sentence is this. I'm not going to ask for that on the test. I'm just going to ask for the next multiples. You need this, the solution. So if we take it a step further, so this is grade 8 where you're going to need to know. So identify 3 multiples of the number 54, and 36. So 54 times 1 is 54. 54 times 2 is 108. 54 times 3 is 162, and so on. You can read this. So if we're looking at those multiples grade 8s, you can already see that I've got 2 multiples in common. Sorry, that's my dog Fiona, and she's apparently in love with her squeaky toy. So these are the 2 multiples that you can see are in common. It does not matter that for the number 36, there are several more in between each multiple that is in common. It doesn't matter. All that matters is my first common multiple is 108. My second common multiple is 216, and so on and so on. So it depends how many I asked for in the test. I'm telling you right now, there's probably going to be 3. So you have to find 3 multiples of those numbers. Just 3 that they share if you multiply them. And that's it. It's really a lot easier than you're making it. You need a calculator and you need a piece of paper. And my dogs are having a war, so I'm going to stop it.